Welcome to Softclue LMS again, and I'm excited to introduce you to one of the most powerful skills in today's digital world, SQL and databases. Now, don't worry if these words sound technical. By the end of this course, they will feel simple and familiar. Every time you use your phone, log into a website, shop online, or open a banking app, you are interacting with a database. A database is simply a place where information is stored in an organized way. Think of it like a digital filing cabinet that keeps records safe, neat, and easy to find. Instead of messy papers, databases use tables with rows and columns, just like a spreadsheet. And this is where SQL comes in. SQL stands for Structured Query Language. It is the language we use to talk to databases. With SQL, you can find information, add new records, update data, delete data, and answer important questions. For example, how many customers do we have? What products sold the most? Who signed up this month? SQL is used by banks, hospitals, schools, tech companies, and governments all around the world. It is one of the most in-demand skills in data, business, and technology. In this course, we will start from the basics, step by step, with simple explanations and practical examples. No experience needed, just curiosity and willingness to learn. Welcome to your SQL journey on Softclue LMS. Let's get started.